This article deals with the complexity of the DNA and how something which is so long but very thin can be kept in a cell without getting into a tangled mess. Because the cell itself is only very small, and so the DNA has to be, as it were, put into a tight mechanism, bound up, as it were, and the DNA has to be unbound to be read and has to be split apart to be read, but it's twisted as well as being very long. So if you have a telephone wires, and you've noticed how telephone wires, when twisted, become ever more coiled, and naturally speaking they don't function well, or something that's as long as the DNA, which is also twisted, would naturally become a tangled mess. To stop it from being a tangled mess, there are all sorts of mini machines. This article discusses those mini machines and the jobs that they do. But the end result is, not only is the DNA incredibly complicated, but trying to keep the DNA in place without becoming a tangled mess is itself an extremely complicated thing. And we see here examples of what we call irreducible complexity. These are things that evolution could never be expected to produce, and yet we see them abundantly in the natural world. Once again, evidence for a creator, and a creator that we need to serve. Well, thank you for listening.